new machine, you need to connect power cable. This is L display. This is L pipe connect, and USB power button. Remember, install this L. Let L come to the machine. And now say software. What is Windows of the your computer? Because I have already installed, so I teach you install. This one is USB driver. USB driver you must open as a admin structure. Open it. Connect this, but don't delete open. Don't delete open. You must open as admin structure. You install USB driver. Install USB driver. Right? Okay. Now this one is software. Software connect install. Because I have already installed, so don't install now. But tell you this DVD, our machine, all have this. After install, so you can see here, change language. This one is our machine software. Change language. You must open as admin structure. Open like this. After okay, you can change English. Right? And here, also here, the marking working size, the parameter, open as admin. So X is changed to this one. Y is this one. This is max working size. Connect confirm. Now open software in the machine software. This is no problem, but don't need it. So change design. You can write in design or do. Now I am doing test. Connect print. Start. Say machine is moving but not marking because no air. So stop. No air. Check air compression. Connect this. Later the air come to the machine. Air. Say here, L display. Now L come in, right? Here also can adjust L. Adjust. Now it's working. Remember before you install materials, you must install like this. This is metal sheet. Must install stick. You must install stick there. Don't let it move. Don't let the material move. And adjust the distance. Adjust. See now the distance like 5 mm. So now software connect start. Right? Working now. Remember the air compressor. The air compressor must working. Here, air display must working. If no air, so no working.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.